I've got myself a Note 60 Pro from Infinix. Now, this has been the most talked about smartphone on the market, and apparently this thing is a killer value. So I went and got one for myself. So today's video, we're unboxing this bad boy and we're gonna be doing first impressions to see if this thing is as good as people are saying it is. So my trusty, there you go. All right, let's see. So we've got two different boxes. That is interesting. Oh my God, look at this thing. This is like a power bank with a cooler. Super cool, right? And it's a MagSafe power bank. It comes free, by the way, with the phone, which is super cool. I mean, nobody does that, right? Okay, super excited about this. Let's just put this aside. So far, it's been interesting to say the least. Ooh, okay. All right, we got the phone. Let me just take it out. That looks super slim. I mean, I've got iPhone next to it and this thing looks super, super slim. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. Let's come back to this thing. All right, what else do we have in the box? Ooh, oh, okay. Oh, that is a super nice case. Well, it's actually plastic, which is, at least they're including this in the box, so that's a plus, right? We're gonna put this aside. All right, what else? Oh, we got the charging brick. Apparently it's 90 watt. And then you have the cable. You have the cable and you have the SIM ejector tool, which is, okay. I just ripped open the box. All right, let me just put this aside and clean this up real quick. Just by holding this thing in my hand, I can feel why people are actually liking this phone. This is super nice. Let me just open this up. Okay, there you go. I don't want to rip it apart. Ooh, wow. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I mean, like, look at that. Next to the iPhone, it's not looking too bad, right? It's super, super slim. And it's actually slimmer than the iPhone. That is insane to say the least, honestly. I mean, look at this thing. It even has that camera. It even has that camera button. Super cool. I mean, yeah, that is just, I mean, I get it. I get it now. It even has the action button on the left side. That is super cool. But you really need to hold this thing in your hand just to feel how good this thing actually is for a budget smartphone. All right, enough with the drooling. I'm just gonna turn this thing on. There we have it. Let's just tap into it and see how, okay, so there's something really, really odd about this. I was told that this thing is kind of like a copy from iOS. I mean, as usually most of the Chinese smartphones actually are, but I kind of like it, okay? I'm not gonna hate on it too much. I actually like it. Super smart. It's looking pretty good. Let me just pull up the iPhone to see how close they actually are. I mean, okay. Yeah, they even got the dock as well. Apparently, I was told they have liquid glass. But before that, I just wanted to show you something really, really fun about this smartphone. You see that active metrics display? Just gonna turn it on, and it actually turned off the whole thing. Let me just turn it on. Just turned it on, and you can see this. You can see this tiny little thing. It's super, super cool. I don't think you can interact with this, but it's super cool. At least you don't get that on the iPhone, right? No, you don't. This is super cool. I mean, at least they're doing something different, right? Now, apparently I was told they do have the liquid glass feature as well, so I'm just gonna try and find out. But they're doing the lock screen settings on the iPhone that you get like this. That is super cool, but I like this one too. You have to try this in the depth. By the way, be sure to watch the review. Be sure to watch the full review, which will be uploaded after this video. So, I mean, I'm kind of liking this, but I really want to see the liquid glass feature. So let me just see if I can edit this. They even copied the customization options. They are exactly the same. Hold on, let me show you something. Go to edit wallpaper. They even copied the customization settings. Oh my God. I mean, okay. I'm not gonna judge this. I'm actually kind of liking it. Okay, this is not iOS. This is actually Android. So this is more of a, how do you say it? This is more of kind of like a funky version of the iOS. You could actually say that this is more of a funky iOS ripoff that you get. I really want to see the liquid glass settings. Let me just say they even copied the iOS 17 wallpaper. They even copied the depth effect that you get on your iPhones. It is super. That is. They even copied it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So a lot of iOS wallpapers, pretty decent customizations, but yeah, I don't find the, oh, there you go. I think this is it. Okay, yeah, I think this is kind of like that liquid glass thingy that every time I'm clicking on it, you can see the change in the icons. Also, I just realized something. iPhone doesn't come with this much bloatware. It's crazy to think that all these apps they came with the smartphone. I mean, I don't even play these games. I mean, it's asking me to download it, but it is super crazy. And I really want to compare it to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So be sure to watch that video as well, which will be coming to the channel later. Yeah, I really want to try this out. So be sure to watch that video, which will be coming after this video. I'm Riz, and by the way, before we actually jump off this video, I really want to see the what's inside this bad boy. So let's just, yeah, all right, let's just do that. All right, let's see what you get. So, not a lot of things you get with the iPhone. So this is pretty brand new. Okay, what is this? Ooh, oh, that is super nice. Oh, that is super nice. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Is that a fan? Does it turn on? Okay, let's try this out. Let's try this. How do I do that? Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't, I mean, it's attaching, but it doesn't work directly. So you might have to use I was told you might have to use this one with the Powerbank, but yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna, whoa, was that running? Oh my goodness, there you go. Oh, that is so cool. It actually shows you the power as well. It's not sticking to the phone right now, but super cool, right? Oh my goodness, it just came, by the way, this came free with the smartphone. That is insane. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I really enjoyed unboxing this video. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.